Yeah, so in this video, I'm going to walk you through what exactly the Faceless Tuber School is and why you should get involved with it. And I honestly believe that this is the best program to get started with YouTube automation or faceless YouTube channels on the market for the most accessible price. So, as you can see here on my screen, we are inside the Faceless Tuber School. It is hosted on this platform called School, and this platform is specifically made to host your course, coaching, mentoring, and everything in one place. So it's a pretty new app. I'm going to show you how it would look like if you were to join my private community called Faceless Tuber School. So you are probably looking at this video right here now that will be updated, and you are watching that right now. And then here you can read what exactly this school is. So as you can see, it's a private group. There's 68 members at this moment as of October of 2023. And the current price is $50 a month to join. So that's the first thing that I think where it outshines almost every other course or program. This school, I host all my courses in, and we do weekly group coaching calls, and it's just for $50 a month. Most coaching programs out there are $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, even $5,000 to just get into. And yes, you maybe do get one-on-one support, but you will get these group coaching calls where we go, where we stay live until you have all your questions answered. So it is the same or even more value, in my opinion. Now, the mission is clear for this school, and this is the reason why I made it: to make the most accessible YouTube automation program on the market and help as many people as possible achieve time and location freedom through faceless YouTube channels. So, like I said, instead of paying thousands for courses or one-on-one coaching programs that eat up all the money you should invest in the actual business, into running your team and creating your videos, we teach you what you need for a fraction of the cost so you can actually take steps that matter and get closer to financial independence quickly. Faceless Tuber School is a private community in which I and other coaches teach you how to run a faceless YouTube channel that can earn you extra income each month. We do this by providing multiple group coaching sessions a week and multiple high-level courses each single week, where we explain the fundamentals to YouTube automation and where you can ask questions. So this is the about page, and this is where like you will see a big button where you can start the program if you would be interested in starting it. So you can just sign up on this page, and then here you can see the members, who's online, the admins, and then the leaderboards here. So I'm just gonna walk you through like the whole dashboard and how it would look if you were to start with this school and with this program, right? So right here, you can see the community tab. And the community tab is where you can ask your questions, where you can share messages, where you can share information. So as you can see here, Miguel Chavas said topic and content research. So he had a question about finding a niche and finding content. You see people are liking it, people are commenting it. Everyone in here runs their YouTube automation channel. So it's a community of engaged people, like-minded, engaged people who help each other out. As you can see here, Michael asked another question. What if the SEO score is not good but possible competition has high views? Right here, 8 hours ago, every Sunday from now on, I've been doing 1 hour group coaching calls. We did 7 or 8 so far, and they are all 1 hour long or even longer. And I re-upload them all in here. So you can watch already 7 hours of group coaching calls where every single beginner and even intermediate question gets answered. So that's already very valuable, right? Because everyone faces different problems when starting, and we just answer all these questions on these live calls. So for just $50 a month, you also get live group coaching. Here, Manuel asked a question here. Andy shared some progress. He's been making some money with this program from now on. Let me just close Slack for now. So here, Aiden is like ask a motivation question, like how the progress is. So people also share their wins. They ask questions. They engage with each other here. June asked about hiring a team and how that works. Here, Tuck made his first YouTube revenue. See, so there's a lot of things we are talking about in here, and that is, I believe, one of the best things about the community. It's the actual community engagement effect, right? Accountability. If you see that Tuck is making money, you're like, okay, let me see what he did, the tips he gives, and maybe like it motivates you to work harder too, to work to that point of making money, right? So there's so many people in there asking questions and engaging, and I try to also comment on every single question so that every single question you have gets answered on the daily, and then on the weekly group coaching calls you can ask all the other questions you have. So one other very cool thing here is the leaderboard section. So when I go here, you can see. So I'm Casper. I'm the admin of this group. I'm level 5. So The more points you have, the higher level you get, and the higher level you get, the more access you get to special courses or special add-ons or tools that are added in this community. So as you can see here, you have the leaderboard of 7 day, 30 days, and all time. So Aiden is crushing it at the 30 day and all time, and then we have David, June, Miguel, Clemens, Vlad, Bobby. So basically what will happen, I will reward people for their engagement, and every month we do like giveaways to people who are in the first, second, or third place, getting like one-on-one coaching calls for free with me, for example. So this is like a fun way to gamify the whole teaching and learning experience, which makes people come back and engage with your content or make you engage with their content too. So that's a very cool thing about this platform too. Here in the members section, you can see who is in this group, and if you want, you can chat with them and connect with them and talk with other like-minded people that want to learn more about YouTube and are running their channels. Then here, this is a very awesome feature too. Here we have the calendar. So as you can see right now, every Sunday we've been doing a group coaching call from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. GMT. So in the future, I will be adding more group coaching calls with myself, but also hire other coaches that teach more. So my goal is to have like almost a group coaching call every single day, so that every day, if you want to learn more, you can get on a group coaching call and ask questions that you have live from coaches who are running channels themselves and who are making money and who are successful with this business model, right? So here you can easily see when the calls are, you can sign up for them, and then you can get on these calls, right? Now, lastly, we have the most important section of this whole school thing, and that's the classroom section. So in the classroom section, you can see every block here is a specific course or teaching method that I added to this school community. So the first thing is here, if you are new, you are level 1, right, from the leaderboard section. So you should watch this on how to unlock things. Basically, how you unlock things is by making posts, engaging with other posts, and liking other posts. That's how you get a higher level, and how you get access to all the courses. Here I have the accelerator course, which teaches you how to make YouTube automation videos without a budget, so by making it yourself without a team. The premium course goes in depth into hiring a team and scaling it up and automating the whole process. This is an AI course that I made that shows you how to use AI to make your scripts, your voiceovers, your videos, your thumbnails, everything AI related. Here you can see the group coaching call section. So as you can see, already 7 group coaching calls uploaded, each of them being at least 1 hour long. So that's already 7 hours of content. I think with all the videos combined, we have over 50 hours of content in this group already. So I can promise you that everything that you do want to know about YouTube automation will be in here. Here, this section here is channel reviews. So here I did like 5 channel reviews of channels that are working, for example, so you can get inspiration of what channels to start yourself. And then this section is just, I have tools in here and everything, right? So this is, and again, a little bit about page and what we are offering. So why? So the main reason I think this is way more valuable than anything else on the market is because some coaching programs, of course, like $1,000, $2,000, $4,000, $5,000, right? For this, you just pay $50 a month at this current time, right? The price might go up as the group grows, and you get courses, you get live guidance, you get a community, you can get on these live coaching calls and replay them, and you get everything you would also get from other coaching programs, right? So yeah, this is what you will get in the Faceless Tuber School. I've been doing coaching for YouTube automation for almost 2 years now already, and you might know me from this Facebook group, YouTube Cash Cow Mastery. As you can see, 12,000 members already. I've been running this group for almost 2 years now. I've done one-on-one coaching with over 100 people, and a lot of people in this group of 12,000 people was like, the group coaching or the private coaching is a little bit expensive for me, but I still want to learn from you and watch your courses and get on group calls. Is there something you can do to help us out with it? And that is when I made this private community where we do group coaching calls. So it's more accessible for everyone. And I have my attention divided to the group, right? And not just one single person. Because of course, I'm busy too. And I cannot, unfortunately, do this on a one-on-one basis for this price level, right? So yeah, in here you can, in my group here, you can see for how long we've gone back, all the client reviews we've had, testimonials, client success. In the school community, we also have here the members wins section where people share their wins. And like I said, I truly believe that this is the most valuable community if you want to get started with YouTube automation. we do the group coachings, you get the courses, you get the community, you get everything you need in here to run a profitable YouTube automation channel, whether you start from zero are already running a channel. And like I said, it's just $50 a month right now. So I hope this goes to show what it is and why you should get in. And I hope to see you inside on our next group coaching call.